What are you doing? Are you eating the seahorses? Okay, you want to jump to me and I'll help you go over there? Oh, okay, okay, go. Yay, you did it! Good job, Jack Jack! Yay! Come on, you want to swim to the stairs?
No, don't jump from there because you can get hurt.
Yeah, swim to me? Okay, come on. All right. Yay, you did it! Yay! Good job. Okay, I'll help you get a seahorsey. Here, let's put it on the bottom. Put it on the bottom step. I bet you can get it then. Okay, ready? You ready, set, go! Yay! I took a video of you under the water. You guys want to race again? Okay, ready? Oh, get down there. Ready, set, go! Come on, Jack! Come on! Miles is winning! Oh, tie! Yay! It's a tie!
I really won.
You did so good, Jack Jack.
It was a tie.
Yeah, you did really good too, Miles.
Da, da, da.